Hi there, this is Moody Alshehaby. In today's Photoshop tutorial, we will do a constructive drop shadow effect. Different look for your shadow with just simple and easy steps. I have a letter M here. As your layer is selected, go to Layer, then Layer Style, then to Drop Shadow. I will be applying multiple drop shadows, and with each shadow I create, I will be decreasing the opacity a little bit and increasing the size of it, as well as I will be moving my shadow to the left to create some distance between each of them. With my first drop shadow, I will set my opacity on 31 and the size on 13. I will move my shadow to the inside a little bit. Click on the plus icon here to create a new drop shadow. And as your top shadow is selected, decrease the opacity and increase the size up to 38. Then move your shadow to the left a little bit. I'm gonna play with the opacity and the size. Opacity 19 and size 49. Select your lower shadow, increase the size. I need to create a plane between the two shadows. Now the size is 49. Now select your top shadow. Click on the plus icon to create another shadow. I will reduce the opacity, let's say 13, and increase the size up to 62. Then move it to the outside a little bit like before. You see here, there is a plane between the three shadows. And might as well, as I'm inside the layer style, I will apply some bevel and emboss. Then hit OK. Now from the effects icon here, just right click and choose create layers. Here you've got 2 layers for your emboss and 3 layers for your shadows. Before doing anything and for your convenience, we need to remove those icons here where it says advanced blending options. Just double click on it, and from this section here, just check that box where it says transparency shape layer. Then hit OK. Do so with the rest of the shadows layers. Now select your shadows layers, right click and choose convert to smart objects, and this way will be going constructively, and you can always come back to those layers and edit them. Now hit Ctrl T from your keyboard to select your shadows. Right click inside your selection and choose warp. You've got a lot of points here where you can control the shadows, and from this reference point location as well. I will leave it in the middle for now. From the top left corner here, just hold and drag this point to start adjusting your shadow. It's like you're bending the shadow. I'm gonna change my reference point to the right bottom corner and adjust the bottom shadow. I'm gonna reset my reference point to the middle again and start blending my shadow some more from the top. After finished adjusting, just click on that right icon here. Now we've got our shadow done and ready. Anytime you want to readjust your shadows, just double click on a smart object to open the layer style, and you will see all your 3 shadows here. Just select any of them and readjust it again as you want. And so on for the rest of the shadows. Fast tutorial, effective and constructive shadow. Till next video, have a good day.